Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you're going to see how to repost Facebook stories. So to do that, head over to your Facebook application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the three lines icon on the top right. And here go to your profile. And from there, you will find the three dots icon just beside edit profile option. And in here, you will find the option of archive. Just below the create another profile section, and once you're in your archive section, there is an option of story archive on the top left. Tap on it and here goes your story archive that you have posted earlier. So if you want to post them again, just head over to any story you want, and there will be an option of share story on the bottom right. Tap on it and your story will be shared on your profile again. If you go back, you'll see that your story is shared. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.